Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the travel advice section in the Virgin Atlantic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Travel Advice button. So here you can find every useful information and travel advices like entry requirements and so on. And there are different airlines available according to where you are, so you can just browse here to find the most useful informations. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.